Hello everybody, welcome back. And today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can deposit cash on Wise. But before that, make sure to subscribe our channel and do like this video as well. Now let's get started. So if you're wondering whether you can deposit cash on Wise, actually you can, but you cannot do it directly. You have to do it via any other payment platforms like your bank account, which you can access your bank account. You can go to any nearby ATMs or the bank itself and go ahead deposit the cash that you have to your particular bank account. Right, once you have done that, or to any other payment method platform as well that you prefer, once you have deposited the money over there, you're going to go to Wise. You're going to then go to the section of add money. Then you're going to enter the amount and the currency you want to add, which currency your cash was in, and which currency your bank holds your cash. Then you're going to choose the bank transfer as your payment method. Once you have chosen that, you're going to add your bank transfers information, because you're going to be transferring the money that you added there as a cash to the Wise. Then once you have added information, you're going to include you're going to go ahead, enter the exact amount, the cash amount, confirm it, and it will be deposited to your Wise card or Wise. That's how you can transfer cash or deposit cash on Wise. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.